Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmat. In this session, we will learn about scan built-in function. So for the demonstration of same, we have already created one program, so let's go through that. So I'm opening this program in edit mode. So first of all, we are declaring few variables here that we will use to operate the scan function. So the first variable is name. It is of type character, and the value we have stored here is Sharmat. Another variable is position of decimal type, and the length is 4. Okay, so now from line number 14 to line number 20, we have stored the syntax, and now we will discuss why we need scan function. So you need scan function whenever you want to search any particular character from a string, okay, or a set of characters from a particular string. In that case, you need scan function. So how to use that? Like, what is the syntax? Syntax is quite simple. You just simply need to write percentage scan, then just start the parenthesis, and inside that parenthesis you can pass the search argument, source string, and starting position. Okay. Now the starting position should be always like, it is optional field. If you want to use it, then it is fine, otherwise it will directly start the scan from first position. Now this is the syntax. Now we will see how we can use this in actual problem. So on line number 24, we are using chgvar command, then take F4. Now inside F4, firstly we have to pass that variable name where we will store the output. So I'm passing it as a position, ampersand position. And so what it will do, it will store that value which is coming from the scan built-in function. Okay. Now inside the scan function, I'm passing the first searching argument as letter A, which I want to search in this ampersand name field, and I want to start my search from first position. By default also it is also first. Like, if I did not pass this here, then it is also start from the first position. But if you want to search from a specific position, then you have to use this parameter. Once this line executed, it will return the value. If it finds the letter A in the string, then it will return that position, otherwise it will return 0. So once we retrieve that position, now for printing that to the screen, we are converting it to character. So I'm passing this variable as an argument, and I'm converting that to character, and then we are printing it on as using the sndpgmsg command. So if we look here, the letter A is stored at third position, so it should return third position. So let's see, I'm compiling it, calling it, so it is returning 3, which is correct because letter A is located at third position. Now try to do some modification here. Let's say if I want to search from third position, so if here we check, like from third position, like here after third position, 1 2 3 4 characters are there. So let's see what it will return. So it is returning third because on third character it is stored only here, and if we make it as a fourth, then we will not be able to find the character A, because from fourth position there is no A. So it is returning 0 because if we place our cursor here on fourth position and we start the scan, then there is no value present as A. So this is how we can utilize this scan function. Okay, and if I did not pass this parameter, the optional parameter, this is the only optional parameter, rest 2 parameter we need to pass, and if I compile it now and call it, it is returning 3 because by default it starts the search from first position. Okay, so it is very useful built-in function, like whenever there is a need of searching something from a string, and then in that case we have to use this scan built-in function. And if we talk about the difference between scan and percentage check built-in function, then the only difference is that, like, percentage check will return only the first non-occurrence character from the string, and scan will return the position of the character from a particular string. Okay, if you are not sure like how both works, then like you can refer the previous video where we have discussed about the percentage check built-in function. Okay, in the playlist you will find that session, and there is another session in rpgli playlist where we have discussed there is one session where we are discussing about the difference between percentage check and percentage scan. The operation will be same here also in CL. The only difference is syntax. There is a different syntax, and here we are using this kind of syntax. Okay, but it will clear your concept how the scan and percentage check works and what are the differences between them. So I hope now it is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.